Look who came, the wee woo gang. The wee woo.
How you doing?
Oh damn! Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. That's not a Harley Davidson. What is this thing? Oh man. Oh, he did the wee woo.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo.
Shoes from
What?
Grandma?
Australia. Australia. You're kidding me?
My grandpa's shoes.
You got the granny bag on. You got the granny.
Put the box of goodies.
Oh my goodness. Jeez. Those aren't Sportster qualified boots. So this is the bike that the new owner won. And what time's he coming? What time's he coming?
All the stores are $200.
8? I guess 8 o'clock. So we got Fly and Ride 15. Check him out on YouTube. We got Mr. Holy Shift right here in the building with his beautiful Australian boots. We got Jerry, we got Hector. Both Nadals are here, junior and senior. see how he pointed senior to him. We're gonna have to get him we're gonna have to hook him up with some Indy Ridge. Oh, he's got Indy Ridge and he didn't even put him on. He do the wee woo. Of course I'm live. All right, so we're here, we're waiting. New owner's gonna arrive here shortly, and then we're gonna surprise the shit out of him, I'm sure, and then we're gonna head out to Dave's, JD Cycle Works. He did show up.
Right,
he did show up. we got Fly and Ride here on a BMW. Oh, actually, he has one, so he knows what it's all about.
I don't have this one though.
You don't have that one. That is true.
You rather have
nice,
this one?
right?
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, you home, come on.
Look at this.
Yeah,
It just feels right.
amazing, bro. Amazing bike.
Look, it matches what I'm wearing.
Oh,
you know?
damn, dude, swap.
Glenn, you want to swap that?
I seen that guy, yeah.
Wow.
With his feet hanging.
Guys, this bike is killer, bro. Fast, bagger, handling, braking.
It feels so light, man.
Look at this thing.
100 pounds lighter than that. It is?
Beautiful bike. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Look at the paint.
But it looks like
Wow.
This
is,
is
who has
740 pounds.
Oh, that's F&R.
With everything in it.
Gorgeous.
With gas
And it sounds like a beast.
It
does.
Is the way it comes. No.
Jose Castillo, the new winner, is here.
I don't think he knew how many.
He didn't know that any of us were going to be here.
So many people. Congratulations.
Oh my God!
What's up? What's up?
Good morning, guys.
Oh, man. What's
Hey,
up,
John,
Jose? How
how's it
you
going,
doing,
man?
brother? How are you? How are you?
Hey, Sandy.
Hello. John, how are you? Pleasure. Pleasure.
My wife Maribel.
How you doing? Pleasure.
Oh, thanks guys for coming out, man. I appreciate it. What's up, Heck?
I like all these.
Wow.
You look great on it.
Man.
Nice.
Jose, first one? First Harley?
First one.
First Harley. Oh, that's it. That's what's important. Well, now we got him switched over to Harley. We'll see. This might be a new beginning here.
That's it. Wow. It's a
We got him some stuff too.
Want to right behind me, sir?
Listen, before we start this video, here put that on.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, he drops
Oh,
it.
man. I can go like this and I can just flip it.
Before he gets his other goodie bag.
Hey. Thanks, man.
And we got you a pair of Indy Ridge gloves. All right, we got you everything.
You know what I said? I gotta get a pair of the Indy Ridge boots.
Oh, now you got the gloves.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it.
Very welcome.
In my house is just flipping. I'm flipping. I'm like John, Sandy, John, all the.
We appreciate
All the
you.
time,
Thank you.
man.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
I was
Right, too.
Awesome,
and Sandy,
awesome
when
day.
you- when
Good
you-
job,
when you
Sandy.
complain.
Good job,
Oh,
brother.
man,
Nice
I
job.
love that.
Congratulations.
Thanks, John.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
Now I have only 3 bikes.
Sounds amazing. Wow.
Of course, everybody wants to see you.
Good morning. Thanks for coming out, John.
Absolutely, absolutely.
The sun is coming out. It's warming up. A repair job. He was towing the bike to Florida.
Right.
And a guy came across one of the lanes, hit a wall, crashed into the truck, the bike, and the trailer, and destroyed it all.
Jeez.
All in one shot. Everything they had.
Somebody hit him.
Yeah.
Hit the trailer.
Yep. So
Wow.
we're getting that patched up for him.
Patched up, patched
Yeah.
up.
Well, the frame, everything's perfect. It's just a lot of cosmetics.
Yeah. Wow.
This one here is getting a trike conversion.
Oh, wow.
Independent suspension, motor trike.
Oh, so wait, this was
A motorcycle.
a street glide, a regular street
Ultra.
glide. Holy cow. I didn't even know you could do this.
Oh, yeah.
So you ordered that whole thing
Yes, we do everything.
from straight from Harley.
Well, no, this
No.
is not a Harley. This
Oh,
is,
it's
this,
not.
This is an independent suspension. This is better than Harley.
Oh, wow.
It's a ride better. It's got air system in it. It's from Motor Trike. We order, we send out a part of the bike, so when it comes back, the paint exactly matches. So now our goals is this week. By the end of this week, we want this to ride home. So this came in
Can I
last
ask
week.
how much something like that costs?
Usually around 16, 18 grand area or so.
Wow, okay.
It's not cheap, but
But it beats buying a whole new trike.
if you own a bike and you love it,
motorcycle, right?
it's definitely value,
I
especially with
didn't
price.
even know you could do this. This is very interesting.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Really interesting.
yeah. We do a couple a year.
Wow.
Yeah, I got it all stripped down yesterday. We got to do some.
So it's pretty, no fabricating or nothing.
Not
like
really
that, right?
fabricating. There is a couple little modifications to be made, but nothing crazy. The kits are pretty well designed for that. And it's a
Paint
very
is
nice-
beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful job.
Wow.
And there's a lot of people out there making trike conversion kits, but this one here I think is one of the best developed ones.
Nice wheels.
Yeah, it's
Very
beautiful.
cool.
Very nice wheel. It looks like a
Very cool. Huh. Interesting.
Looks like it's topped up.
Yeah. This is nice. I think I've seen this before. Got an engine here? No?
This one here we just gotta
Mm-hmm.
put a crank in that, an engine.
Crank,
This
nice.
one here is a repair. Repair work here. We do a lot more of that in the summertime, but we do have a lot of scheduled engine builds. But I schedule them so they come in and they go. We get
Yeah.
them done the same week. This way, everyone can enjoy the bike instead of having to lay around.
Right.
Like all those parts in the back, those are all for future builds.
Right.
But every part will be here, so even when he comes in for a 128, in 1 week he'll be done.
Right. A lot of I've seen couple comments, not a lot, but a couple comments saying that called Dave, never got back to me, and I'm on the phone with Dave every week, and I know that's not what he does, but I will tell you is Dave not only is the owner, he actually works. He works on the bikes. He does the work. He does your engine build. So if you do call, leave a message, he will get back to you. Maybe not the same day, but he will get back to you. And I know you get back to everybody.
Yeah, but and most of all, be persistent. I
Right.
do the best I can, but I'm here
Right.
at 5:30 in the morning every day.
That's right.
And
That's what
at
I tell
5:30
people.
at night, I'm burned out. I'm done.
If you don't hear back, call again the next day or in 2
Be
days,
persistent.
whatever. Right.
Yep, persistence pays off.
That's right.
We
That's
don't
right.
intentionally ever call anybody back. We really try, but sometimes this phone is ringing every 30 seconds during the day.
Right.
And
And
it's just hard
and
to
if he
keep up.
if he answered every phone call, you'd never be able to get your dyno tune done, your engine build done. So
No, and that's the problem is I still gotta get my work done.
Right,
you know,
absolutely.
so it's a challenge, but we enjoy it.
awesome. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, beautiful bike.
Beautiful paint.
Yep, that's getting a little bit of engine
A
work
lot of
done to it.
metallic in it. Wow.
Yeah. Yep, very nice bike. Very clean.
Nice. I'm pretty impressed by that.
Trike
That
version.
trike conversion. Really cool. Anybody want a trike conversion? Here you go.
Yep. There we go. We got another couple more people inquiring about them. We don't do a
Nice.
ton, a couple a year, like I said, but again, I like the schedule, so they come and they go. I try not to keep things sitting around.
Right. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Question I have for you
Yes.
about a dyno tuning.
Yes.
When is as far as weather goes, when is the best time, or I should say, what is the best temperature or barometric pressure, air density? When's the best time to dyno a bike? Does it matter? Does it matter if I come here when it's 60 degrees and you dyno it, or to a day where it's 90 degrees if you dyno tune it? Tell me about it.
It doesn't matter so much anymore.
Okay.
Because the software adapts to it. And when I tune a bike, I'm synchronizing ECM to the airflow of the bike. So now your sensors, your map sensor can do its job, make adjustments as needed. This dyno is pretty consistent with power throughout the year, hot days and cold days.
Right.
Where the old dyno, the old WinPep 7, when it became hot and sticky out, it would drop 5-10 horsepower on what it would show you.
Right.
But this one's pretty consistent.
But I mean, still on a hot day, you're going to show less horsepower than on a higher density.
You will in reality.
Right.
But the dyno has correction factors built into it.
Gotcha.
And that's why we have SAE as our correction factor. Society of Automotive Engineers. That's what everybody wants as an industry standard.
Gotcha.
STD is another one, but that's not what people want to see. It shows higher numbers.
Nobody wants STDs.
Nobody wants STDs. but the problem is it's not the industry standard.
Right, gotcha.
Sometimes people give people an STD chart.
Right.
It shows higher numbers, but it's not comparative to an SAE chart.
Gotcha. So even if you dyno tune it on a 95-degree day, when you're out riding the bike, obviously the ECU is compensating all the time for air density.
Yep, and that's the true meaning of tuning.
Right.
Is calibrating that ECM to the airflow of the engine package that's in there.
Gotcha.
It's not just a dyno graph.
Okay, cool. So it doesn't matter if it's hot, if it's cold.
It doesn't really matter at all.
Doesn't matter.
I mean, if it's super hot, like 100 degrees, it's harder.
Right.
I try to get my tuning done in the morning.
Right. Gotcha.
This way it's easier on the bike and me. You know, but winter time it stays pretty warm back there. It's consistent.
Right.
So it's
cool.
It's not that big a deal anymore.
All right, good to know. No, we had the wee woo ask that question.
Yeah. Yep.
Sandy.
Oh, it's a good question.
It is. Somebody was dyno tuning someone else's bike and kind of figured it was too hot. That's why he didn't do it. But you just kind of answered that question.
And different dyno rooms are set up differently. This one here is set up really good. I can tune when it's snowing outside and actually kind of enjoy it.
Gotcha.
You know, where it stays the temperature consistent, and when it's super hot, it's not that bad. I got a lot of fans going.
Gotcha.
So this one here is set up really good. A lot of other rooms, like my old dyno room, when it got below a certain temperature, there was no heat, it was too small of a room, it would just freeze me out of it.
Gotcha.
And yes, there was a cutoff at that point. But now with this, it works year round.
Cool.